Hi sweeties, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Bernie. It says it right there, Cooking with Bernie. I need to tie my hair, wash my hands, then we can cook. I've washed my hands already, so don't come at me. Today, we're making crinkles. So the ingredients are 1 cup of cocoa powder. I use this one. 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of white sugar, salt, baking powder, and 2 whole eggs, 1 cup of vegetable oil, but I use this one, the Sun Vanilla. So the first thing that we're gonna do is the dry ingredients. So put like the sifter here. We have to sift everything. So we're gonna get our cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is like the most important thing, because how is it gonna taste? And so we go here. After that, we go on to our second step. 1 cup of flour. By the way, I'm wearing this shirt that says foods before dudes. That's one thing. Okay, so now we sift. Okay, so after we sift the flour, it's time for the next ingredient, which is the 1 cup and 1 tablespoon of sugar. So I'm taking my sugar here to add 1 cup and 1 tablespoon of white sugar. I hope I'm right, because if I'm not, I'm just wasting ingredients. 1/4, so now it's 1/4 of salt. And baking powder, which is 1 teaspoon. And from now, after we sift all of the dry ingredients, and we take our spatula and we just mix. If it doesn't get that chocolate color, then we're not doing it right. You have to fully mix it though. See, it's getting that chocolate powder look. So let me show you what it'll look like. It needs to look like this. Like, you need to get rid of those bits and just mix, thoroughly mix it. And now we set aside our dry ingredients and put it to the side. And now we work on the wet ingredients. So first off, we break our egg. After we mix that, we take our oil. After we get our 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, very good. We put that in and we mix it a bit, and we get our 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We mix that for a bit, and I'll show you what it should look like. It should look like this. Not too brown though, but it should just look like this. Now we get both of our ingredients, and I have to hold the camera while I show you how to mix it. Of how messy the table is. So you get, you make like a small hole in here. Fork of this. And you add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. And after we do that, mix it. Keep on smoothing it out. See, it's coming together. Now let me show you how it looks. This is how a lot of your strength weighs, especially if you're making this. Now, after we get this to look like this, we get our saran wrap. Should look like this. And now we keep that in the fridge. And now we wait a whole day, because I like it sitting in the fridge for a whole day, maybe 24 hours if you want. And I'll see you in the next clip.